What if right now, in another universe, there's a version of you living a completely different life? Maybe they took that job you turned down. Maybe they're with the person you never asked out. Or maybe they don't even exist at all. This is the mind-bending idea of the multiverse. Countless versions of reality, each playing out every possible choice. But the question is, are those other versions of you actually real? In movies like Doctor Strange, Everything Everywhere All at Once, the multiverse is portrayed as wild, chaotic, and limitless. But this isn't just a Hollywood fantasy. Scientists and philosophers have been wrestling with this idea for decades. So let's explore. Is the multiverse just fiction? Or could it reveal a deeper truth about who we are? One of the strangest places this idea comes from is quantum physics. The many worlds interpretation suggests that every time a quantum event happens, like a particle choosing between two states, universe splits. One version goes left, another goes right. If that's true, every choice, every possibility creates a new universe. And in each one, another you. But that's not the only theory. In cosmology, scientists talk about inflation. When the universe was born, space expanded at a mind-blowing speed. That inflation could have created countless bubble universes, each with its own laws of physics. If that's true, our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam. And then there's string theory and M theory. They propose hidden dimensions, and entire universes floating like membranes in a higher reality. Imagine infinite sheets of existence, stacked and drifting, each one containing its own reality. But let's step back. If other versions of you do exist, what does that mean? Do you really have free will, or are all your possible choices already playing out somewhere else? And then there's identity. If infinite versions of you exist, who are you? Just one thread in an endless tapestry? Or are you the sum of all those versions combined? The very idea challenges everything we think we know about choice, destiny, and what it means to be alive. Some people wonder if vivid dreams, déjà vu, or strange coincidences are glimpses into these alternate realities. Maybe when you dream about a life you never lived, you're tapping into another version of yourself. But science warns us there's no evidence for this. These are most likely products of our own imagination, not cracks in reality. And that's the problem. The multiverse is nearly impossible to test. Right now, it's more theory than fact. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and so far, we don't have it. That hasn't stopped scientists from debating it fiercely. And for now, the multiverse remains one of the greatest mysteries of existence. Here's what we can say. Even if other versions of you exist, the choices you make here and now still matter. This life, this version of reality, is the one you're living. And what you do with it matters more than anything happening in some hypothetical universe. So what do you think? Are parallel versions of you out there, living out your dream life? Or is this reality the only one that truly exists? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. And if you enjoyed this dive into the mysteries of the multiverse, make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around for more, because reality may be stranger than we think.